Here's UK and Ireland weather forecast for this coming June the 12th to the 14th, 2013. That's this Wednesday through till Friday this week. So there's more cloud in the skies at the moment than there has been recently, but Tuesday's highs still got into 20-degree figures for some areas. Liverpool, Coningsby and Marhenbow all reaching 20 degrees, with an average of around 15.1 generally across the British Isles. Though there are a few low temperatures, especially in the Scottish Highlands overnight, falling to 0 in Oldnahara for instance, though on average generally it was around 9.3 throughout the British Isles. And over the next 3 days there will be rain on the way for all areas, with generally cooler temperatures, and we'll probably see some heavy bursts of rain for most, if not all, regions as well over the next 3 days or so. And this is because we've got a bit of a chain of low pressure systems moving in. First of all, the remnants of Andrea, and then another low pressure system behind that, and then another low pressure system getting close to the British Isles by day 2, coming into day 3. So let's take a look at Wednesday then. You can see here lots of rain falling virtually everywhere, except for perhaps the east coast, which might get away with it for most parts of the day, at least until late on in the day, before rain starts to come over, creep over this part of the country as well. But high temperatures over there will be 20 degrees, because there may be some sunshine peeping out as well during the day, but under the rain clouds highs of around 17 to 19, which isn't too bad for wet weather. Looking at Wednesday night then, rain isn't going to fall everywhere, but it will fall in many areas, notably northern England into Scotland will see the heaviest of the rain in the UK, but in Ireland we'll see lots of heavy rain here as well, with rain-free skies in parts of central and southern England overnight, with low temperatures of around 11 to 14 degrees Celsius, that's 52 to 57 degrees Fahrenheit, with a low temperature in the central part of Scotland of 9. Looking at Thursday then, there's a little bit more sun in the forecast, but there's a lot more rain as well, especially for parts of the Irish Sea coast in particular. We're looking at here northwestern England, northern Wales as well. We'll see lots of rain here, but mixed in with some sunshine for parts of the far north of England and along the eastern coast and parts of southern England too. A little bit of sunshine with a high of 18 degrees in the Greater London area on Thursday. That's 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Elsewhere around 14 to 17. Looking at Thursday night, it's going to be a better night with more clear skies completely along the east coast of England. Obviously that means cooler weather, cooler temperatures as well, but that's probably a good thing because the temperatures overnight have been fairly warm recently. And generally partly cloudy skies for most areas, a little bit of rain, a little bit of drizzly rain down towards the southwest of England, with low temperatures of around 7 degrees up to around 10 to 12 in the southwest of England as well, as a high-low temperature you could say. And coming into Friday then, it's a very mixed day, lots of partly cloudy skies, but lots of rain clouds as well, with rain falling during the day. The best bet is probably for the southern coast of England, coming into the southeast as well. Might see some partly cloudy skies, might get away without any rain. Ireland is certainly going to be a washout on Friday, with lots of rain falling here, and a high temperature in the southeast of England of 18 degrees, 64 Fahrenheit, and around 13 degrees, the lowest high temperature in Northern Ireland. And looking into Friday night, more rain falling now over into the UK, into northern England and into Scotland. We'll see lots of heavy rain falling here during Friday night, perhaps even thunder in some areas too, though that remains to be seen, but virtually wet almost everywhere except for northern parts of Ireland, where we'll see a little bit of a respite of rain falling over there. And low temperatures of around 9 degrees to 12 as a low temperature on Friday night. Taking a look at the extended forecast into the weekend and beyond, it appears that the changeable weather on the forecast is expected to continue, with lots more low pressure on the way, and this means we'll see some very mixed weather, some sunshine but a lot of rain falling as well, but we may see some nice spells of weather in between, with some nice temperatures still for the time of year, with around 20 degrees or more maybe for some areas. Don't forget to visit the website force13.com, and I'll be back with another forecast in 3 days time.